will be 6 months old in a couple days. Is that fun? So we just came, oh my, we just came back from a big trip in the car, and it feels good to stretch our legs. Isn't that so, Evan? Isn't that so? Hi! Look at that big smile. You're so happy. You're like so happy to not be in the car anymore. That's so. And we got 2 little teeth coming in. Let's see if you can show everybody your teeth. Can we see those teeth? Let's see. I think Mommy can feel them. Can we show everyone your teeth? Where's those teeth? Your tongue's in the way. Your tongue's in the way. Hey. Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh, there they are. Oh, we saw them for a split second. Yes, we did. We saw them for a split second. Hey, let me see those teeth again.